I have got some bold prediction for the forex market this week that you won't want to miss. Euro USD, from our previous analysis, we said we are expecting price to continue to move down, but we expect price to come to this resistance level before we look at our possible area of selling for Euro USD. So you can see from my chart now, from this level, we expect price to test this level, but price still holding around this area. Then we also find another level of interest on the daily chart that's also possible for price to drop from. You can see we have this area of interest on the daily chart. So long this area is also a strong area of interest for us to sell the Euro USD in, and we have a price action set up on the daily chart for Euro USD. This shows that Euro USD will be dropping this week. I'm expecting Euro USD to drop this week with our target of this level and also have target of this area. So let's look at the bigger time frame of the Euro USD. On my monthly chart, if you watch my previous analysis, I said on the monthly chart, price did a first breakout on this level. Then we expect the Euro USD to drop to this monthly support level. So we are expecting Euro USD this month to drop to this monthly support level, which is a very significant area that price need to test before we see further up or down. So we expect Euro USD on the monthly chart to continue to drop. So let's look at the weekly chart of the Euro USD. On my weekly chart, you can see that we said in our previous analysis, we said price converted this support into what? Resistance. So you can see that price also, so long price convert this support into resistance, we expect price to retest this level. Then we see our price continue to drop on the Euro USD. So price is currently moving down now. So we expect price to come to this our support level here. So if price break this support level, we expect further downtrend. But if price fail to break this level, that means we expect a reversal from this particular level on the Euro USD on the weekly chart. So we expect further downtrend on Euro USD this coming week. So let's go back to our daily chart. On our daily chart, you can see that we have a higher high and a lower high on the daily chart, which shows that you see we are expecting a price to drop for the Euro USD. We have a higher high, a lower high, a lower high. This is the third leg of the lower high. So we expect price to drop to where this our support level on this our weekly support level, which also stands as our monthly support level on the daily chart. So we expect Euro USD to drop this week. So the next pair I will be looking at now, looking at the Gbpusd USD. Gbpusd USD on the daily chart close on this resistance level. So long we have price closed on this resistance level, this shows a sign of price reversal. But I'm still expecting further confirmation for the Gbpusd USD. But we're expecting price to drop from that particular level because that particular level is a strong reversal level on the daily chart. So let's go to our weekly chart for us to get a possible area. Let's start from the monthly chart. Sorry, I'm having a network issue this morning. So you can see that on my previous analysis, we said price close on this monthly resistance level, which shows that this level is a very significant level on the monthly chart. So long price close on this monthly resistance level, and we have this support level here. Currently now, I'm still expecting price to close this below this support level before we see I'm expecting the Gbpusd USD to drop to this area. So long price close inside this resistance, that's one point that we're expecting the pounds to drop. Then the second point, now we expect price to close above this level for the pounds to continue to move up or continue to what? If price close above this level, we expect price to continue to move up. But if price close below this support level, we expect price to drop below. So what we expecting this week now, we expect this month, what we also expect this for this pounds this month, we expect price to break below this level for us to see further dropping to this level, because price closed on the monthly resistance, which shows a further weakness on the pounds USD. So let's go to the weekly chart of the pounds USD. On my weekly chart, you can see that the pounds also have a on a resistance level. All this level has a resistance level on the pounds USD on the weekly chart. But you see I have a significant level here on the pounds on the weekly chart. So if I'm to sell on the pounds, I prefer selling from high. But now I have no decision on pounds USD. So we stay caution on pounds USD for the now, because the weekly chart is not that clear enough for a selling opportunity yet. So we are still expecting a further downtrend on the pounds USD, because we have a support. So long we have this support here and we have a resistance here, so we expect price to go below this support level and convert this support level into a resistance before we look at a selling opportunity for the pounds USD. So let's look at the daily chart of the pounds USD. The pounds USD on the daily chart is still showing price is on what resistance level, because this level is a strong resistance on the pounds on the daily chart. So we might be expecting a drop, but before we look at for a selling opportunity on the pounds USD, we expect price to go below this level. Then we expect a retracement for us to sell the pounds to the downside. So for now, we have no clear direction to sell pounds yet, but we're expecting price to drop for the pounds USD. So that is for the pounds USD. Next pair of looking at the gold USD. Gold USD dropped yesterday. If you watch my previous analysis, I said we expect the gold USD to drop this week. So you can see that price really dropped for the week, but we are still expecting price to drop to this area, because this area we are looking for a buying opportunity from this area, or we are looking for a buying opportunity from this monthly level. So let's go to our monthly chart. We have a very terrible network this morning, so please bear with us. So on the monthly chart, you can see that the gold has closed above this resistance level, which is a resistance that turned towards support. So price need to retest this resistance before we see a further uptrend movement. So price need to retest this resistance, this previous resistance level on the monthly chart before we see further uptrend movement. So let's look at the weekly chart. On my weekly chart, we can also see that this particular monthly resistance is also significant. Then we also have a weekly resistance. So price need to test these levels before we look out for buying opportunity. If price fail to test this level, I will be staying out of gold until we see price testing this level before we look at a buy opportunity for gold USD. So what we are setting for gold USD on the weekly chart now, we expect price to test this level. Then we expect a pullback to the top. There's a pullback to the top, or we expect price to come and test this monthly support level before we expect the price to pull back to the top for the gold USD. So gold USD is still on a downtrend for us in our short-term trend for gold USD. So what we expect for the gold USD this week, we expect price to continue to drop. So we're expecting gold USD to do a test of this level. So we expect price to do test of this level, then we'll see price heading back to this area, or this monthly support level. So gold USD for us this week is possible for a drop in this week for us. So expect price to drop from gold USD this week. So look at your selling opportunity on the gold USD this week. If you have any question on this analysis, you can drop your question in the comment section below. If you find this analysis helpful, like this video and subscribe to my channel. You can also watch my previous analysis. Thank you for watching.